When a repair starts costing more than half of what a full replacement would cost, or when the same unit needs a third service call within 1 year, that is the signal to stop repairing and start replacing. Think of an old appliance like a shoe with a hole in it. The first time you patch that hole, it makes sense to fix it because the shoe still works fine after. But if you keep patching the same shoe over and over, eventually you have spent more money on patches than a brand new pair of shoes would have cost, and the shoe still falls apart anyway. Home equipment works the same way. Furnaces, water heaters, and air conditioners are built to last a certain number of years, and once they pass that point, the parts inside become harder to find and more expensive to replace. A trick many homeowners do not know is called the 50% rule, where if the repair estimate is 50% or more of the cost of a new unit, replacement almost always saves more money over time because you also gain better energy efficiency, which lowers your monthly bills. One common mistake is waiting until the unit completely breaks down before considering a replacement, which often leaves you stuck without heat or air conditioning during the worst possible time, so a better approach is to start budgeting for a replacement once your equipment hits 70% of its expected lifespan. Another misconception is thinking that newer always means more complicated to fix, when really newer systems often run more efficiently and need fewer repairs overall. People also forget to add up all their past repair costs on one unit, so keeping a simple log of every service call and its price can help you clearly see when you have crossed that replacement line. Now, if you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jobby Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.